Got an iPhone, and that's any iPhone, and your iPhone is not charging at all. I'm going to show you guys how to fix that. I got it zoomed in here on the camera. So this customer brought in this iPhone, and he said he needs a new charging port because his phone's not charging. And so I immediately, the first thing I do is plug a charger in there to see, as you can see right here, I zoomed in on it for you guys. You see that gap, how it's not letting it push in? So thick that I can fit a credit card in there. It's not getting contact. This needs to be plugged in and it needs to go deep. Why is it not going deep? Most likely the common cause is lint from your pocket being pushed in there, and you keep pushing this in there and you're jamming it up in there. And it's so much in there. Let me try to get a light in here. It's in there so deep that you can't even tell, and it looks like it's part of the phone. Sometimes I find rocks in there and stuff. So I told this customer, I said, as long as you let me use your phone to make a YouTube video, I will fix your phone for free. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do when you have that gap there is turn your phone off, because you don't wanna fry it out. So I'm turning the phone off. I have a push pin here, and I took a pliers and I bent the tip of it like a little tiny hook. Okay? Next, what you're gonna do is push this in there, and you're scraping on the back wall. Do not push up or down, and make sure you turn your phone off. Very important, or you'll burn it up, okay? Or you can burn it up. So now I'm gonna scrape. I already feel I'm getting something. And sometimes when you try to, oops, sorry, let me get the camera in there. When you try to, oh, there it goes. Look at that lint that just fell out of there. Hold on. It's hard for me to find out where this is exactly positioned. There's a big ball of lint there, you guys, okay? So that's the first thing that's out of there. There's probably more. I'm not gonna stop at that. So I'm gonna keep scraping here and see what I can come up with. So this customer is gonna have his phone fixed for free. I'm like 100% sure this is gonna work, and it's gonna fix his phone. I don't know if you guys could see this pile of junk right here. Let me try to zoom it in. I'm gonna zoom out a little so you guys could, even though it's far away, you guys could see what's going on exactly, and I'm not out of the picture. So got a big ball of lint there. That was the biggest one right there. And I'm going up and down. So don't scrape up against the wall. The prongs are actually like either on the top or the bottom, but there's all these little prongs up there, but they're not on the back wall. So now I'm gonna plug this in, and we're going deep. There it goes. It's showing the charging symbol. You see that? Can you guys see that? Oh, there it goes. Now it's turning on. Let's see. I'm gonna show you guys that it does work. When it turns on, it'll show you that the lightning bolt is there. I'll wobble the charger around so you guys can see that it doesn't have any issues whatsoever. And then you can give me my fat thumbs up. That's all I ask for. I'm not gonna beg you to subscribe or anything like that. Okay, so you got the lightning bolt in the corner. I'm wobbling this around. Oops. Wobbling it around, not losing anything. This phone is disabled because they had a cracked screen that I did fix also. And I'm gonna pull this out and push it back in. As you guys can see, it is fixed. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Go fix your phone. Let me know how it worked out for you guys. Have a good day.